Hi folks, just a little video here to help show you some of the most important parts of putting this together. So we've mocked this up to where we just have it clamped on here. Obviously you can do this on your dock, in your yard, however you want to do it. One of the first things you want to do when picking up the body is install the pulley and pin first. Once it's in the frame, once it's on the pipe track, you can't do it. That's done. Once you get your winch head in place and you mount your winches, your bolts down, mount the winch head to the winch. This one here is a 2-inch long 3/8 bolt. That's what holds this eye on. It has to be in this position, but you have to make sure you use the 1/2-inch flat washer that comes with it. Otherwise, it'll slip down through. So once that's on and this cable comes out, what you need to do is come around, grab the tag end of your cable, the other end of it, and make sure you take and you start to feed it through here. You feed it all through here. Okay, install your handle. Your spring goes on, big side toward the handle. Your nut goes on one way. So if it doesn't go on, flip it over. Okay, after you got your cable mounted underneath the pulley, get it threaded up through the bottom of the drum, up like this. The set collar that comes in the package right here. Put it on, 2mm Allen wrench. Make sure you got that nice and tight. Put on your saddle underneath there, put your 1/4-inch nut on it, grab your socket, tighten her down. You're all set. One of the hardest parts is to get your cable wound up nice and tight and neat. Probably going to take more than one person to help you with this one. Get it started, get it nice and tight. You're going to have to keep pushing it over. Maybe use a screwdriver, piece of wood, stuff it over that way. Get it up nice and tight. We'll show you a picture of what it looks like after it's all done.